In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save a filter view in Google Sheets. Filter views are a powerful way to sift through data without changing what anyone else sees. They let you apply conditions, hide or show specific values, and quickly focus on the information you need. Perfect for shared sheets where you don't want to disrupt other people's work. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Once your sheet is open, look to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. From there, hover over Filter Views and choose Create New Filter View. When you do this, your sheet will switch into a special mode. You'll notice a dark border around the grid and a bar at the top that indicates you're working inside a filter view. That visual cue is important. It tells you that any filtering you do now will be contained to this view and won't affect other collaborators. Now you can customize what to filter. In the header row, each column will show a small funnel icon. Click the funnel for any column you want to narrow down. You'll see options to filter by condition, by values, or by text. Use by values when you want to quickly include or exclude specific entries. Uncheck. Select all, then tick only the values you care about, or use the search box to find them quickly. Choose by condition when you need something more precise, like text contains, greater than, or dates before a certain day. And if you're filtering text-heavy columns, the text options make it easy to find partial matches or exclude unwanted keywords. Take a moment to apply the filters that best fit your analysis and watch the sheet instantly update to show only the rows that match. Once your filters are set, it's a good idea to give the view a clear name so you can find it later. At the top left, click where it says Untitled Filter View and type a descriptive name that explains what the view shows. Something like Sales Q2 Only or Open Tasks by Priority. The name saves automatically. To save the filter view, simply close it by clicking the X in the top right corner of the filter view bar. Don't worry, your settings are preserved. Later, you can reopen it from the Data menu under Filter Views and select the name you chose. This keeps your analysis organized and reusable without touching the underlying data. That's it. You've created a clean, reusable filter view that keeps your data analysis clear, consistent, and collaboration-friendly.